Oh. Hey guys, we are super excited to be here today with you in the Braille house with Gabe and his hair.
You know why?
Why?
Because I'm the utmost leader in electronic boards, and this is one of those videos.
That's true.
Thanks for mentioning me, okay? I'm here too, guys.
Carlos Lastra is also available.
Jerk.
Hi, Carlos.
Okay, anyways.
Gabe loves two things, electronics and ripsticks. And this is an electronic device. This is the Ikon Edge.
You're reading upside down. Can you read the whole thing upside down?
Our Ikon. Our product speaks for itself, so we won't include too much detail about technical things, period. No crowdfunding here. We will be fulfilling orders in a couple of weeks. Do whatever you want with it. Light yourself on fire and bomb a hill, LOL.
Carlos?
Is available.
It's a possibility.
And the first 100 customers will get an extra set of bearings. Included with this one, charge it first, please. Love Ikon. Very powerful belt motors, no big battery packs, just plain beautiful. This thing is a chick magnet. It's flexible and waterproof. I don't know if we've ever had a waterproof electric board. Okay, so let's just open this bad boy up. First of all, my first impression always has to be about the box. This box rocks,
is awesome.
and I have on socks.
And anytime now, Los Litos.
Los Litos' fingers are too small to do this.
I can't do it.
See?
So you know the big thing about this board is that it is fully waterproof.
What do you mean?
Like you can literally submerge it in a pool of water.
No,
and
you
And
can't.
you can still ride it.
Skating in a pool. Dude.
Here, watch this. Like,
they
check
said
this
there was
out.
bearings.
Check out this packaging game.
Whoa. No way.
Yeah, baby.
What? Super Reds?
Oh, they weren't kidding.
Bones Super Reds.
Dude, when's the last time you seen Reds, dude?
Dude. So it comes with
Why
that.
would you do that? That was jacked up, dude.
And a skate tool.
I know, that was horrible of you. I'm not screaming anymore, and this is what you do to me?
Extra bolts and extra belts. So it's super powerful because it has belt motors.
It also comes with a charger and a remote.
Look at this beautiful board.
It is really nice, though. Feel how smooth it is, Carlos.
It is smooth.
It's very soft to the touch.
Carbon fiber, right?
Yes, it is.
Means
So it
it's
has
big.
super powerful belt motors.
Feel how watertight it feels. Doesn't it feel like very secure?
Yes. Wow. That is very secure.
That's where I think the waterproofness comes from. If I win, I get to keep them.
Bearings?
They go to Aaron.
I was gonna say. What do you think this is?
Here's the remote in which you
Turn on.
turn on.
What? It has
Hold up.
lights.
Hold up. What? Hold
It's
up.
like the T-Mobile.
This is unprecedented.
Tell us.
Just turn it on. Hold it. Hold it and turn it on. Tell me what's different.
It vibrates.
It freaking vibrates.
What?
Oh, that's really nice.
Whoa!
Don't
That
do
was
that.
super
Come
powerful
on, man.
belt. What?
Sounds like an angry chinchilla.
So it has a 160 watt battery. What does that mean? It means that it has a lot of battery life. I'm extremely shocked at how small that battery is, but it has lots of battery life. And it's not like crazy thick. It goes
yeah.
crazy fast.
It has like a longer range and higher speed.
If you're in Australia and you're camping and you're in your tent and you hear this,
Run. Run as
I
fast
just
as
know
you
that there's a
can.
wild Carlos coming for me.
put completely underwater.
Water sealed 100%.
A baby pool? Oh no. Gabe! Oh no. Turn! Oh, the turn is good too. Almost all longboards clip on that. No clip.
What's the brake? That's like my main concern is the brake.
I will beat the train! Train this!
Wow, that thing's really fast.
It's really fast. You can't keep up with me. Give me
Yeah,
this.
go ahead.
Mario! Oh yeah, baby. Woo! Dude, it's insane. Yeah, it turns good.
Dang.
Smooth.
Oh.
You want to give it a wang danga?
Here we go. Check the brake. Oh, brake's good. Brake's good. That's the main thing I was concerned about. All right, full send right here. Whoa! Steering's good. Steering is good. There's no traffic. Trust me, I'm looking left and right. We're good. All right, here we go. Oh, the brake, dude. The brake is good, dude. You're gonna have fun, dude. Try it.
I don't even want to hold my camera.
Gabe,
You
do
can
I
make
see
it
it?
go in reverse. Look.
Gabe, do me a favor. Do me a favor.
Yeah.
Full send. Okay.
Yeah. I
You
mean,
got this.
dude, I'm the last person to say that. I just don't want to hold the camera because I want to enjoy it. Dude, that turn is so good. I'm not even gonna lie, probably the best turn range on any electric longboard I've ever ridden. And that's saying a lot because I've ridden many of them. That feels good. It's like powerful, but not to the point where you ride it and you're like, I'm gonna die kind of powerful, but like ride it and you're gonna go fast, but feel comfortable on it. And yeah, the brake is good.
We'll see. I'm gonna do a switch wing dinger right now.
Oh, no. You got a slow-mo shot for it. I'll put that in.
He's flying.
He's flying, man. Let me race you on foot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where should we go?
You should.
Where should we, I
Well,
just,
start-
I really
okay.
feel like running right now.
We'll start
I
from.
want to be at the finish line then, so then I can
Yeah,
at least
that's what I'm
capture
saying.
that. Wow.
I was just gonna tackle Carlos to win.
Go take this camera with you.
Usain Bolt, dude.
I had to accelerate
I did not realize you can run that fast. Run after me. Come on.
Are you sure?
You got it.
Watch out, watch out, watch out!
I got it. We're good. You run fast.
Very proud of my running skills. Daniel, this is the best electric board ever. Fetty, what did you think?
It beats walking. Oh no.
Oh no.
Dude.
So fast. No, I cut open my hand again. No.
Come on, dude.
I wanted that to heal.
Oh, dude.
So bummed.
Let me see. Dude.
You just yeeted the controller to the ground.
Try to save
You're banished. You're banished to give me this. The controller's durable. Let's get the slip and slide going. So my idea here is to get the slip and slide set up and then fully submerge it in the slip and slide puddle at the end. Once we get it fully submerged, we test to make sure it works. And then if it works, we continue riding through the slip and slide and try not to die.
I forgot I actually closed, by the way. I left the house in a rush, so if I get wet, I'm driving home like this.
Fire in the hole.
Wait, why is it all tangled? Don't do it. Did we plug all of the holes like yesterday?
Yes, we did. All holes have been plugged.
Hey guys, I'm on an electric board.
You just gotta let it fill up a little bit. Oh, there you go.
There we go.
Wait, so am I doing this on my butt? This would be kind of cool, actually. We gotta try standing up, on your knees, coffin style. Like, all three.
You need to fill up the pool. There you go.
It's right here, but I think it's too far off the ground right here.
This water feels so nice. You want to drink the water?
Yeah.
That's up to you, dude. Film yourself, though, because it's funny.
It tastes fine.
You look like a...
Look at that
Whoa.
tan. Look at that tan, dude.
Look at this. Should we dip the
Should we
board
dip
in the
the
water?
water in
Dip the water in the board.
Dip the
Yeah,
water
let's
in the
dip
board.
water in the
that.
board. That sounds very...
I don't know how to
Go
do
for it,
that.
go for it.
Let's make sure that the charging port is completely plugged. No, it says it can be fully submerged, though,
You
Dan.
gotta submerge it underwater and see if it's still...
100% it says it can be submerged.
All right.
Then we give it
Let's
a
just
try.
try it.
Oh. That's so sad.
It's uncharted territory right now. If it can really withstand being waterproofed that much, like, we got something legendary on our hands here.
Okay.
So this board has been in the water for what? A good 2-3 minutes? So let me see that remote control real fast, Carlos.
Oh, it's... Hey, do that again. It actually feels good. Dude, that feels so good. Good. Yeah. No. Push the... It's good, right? It's like a pressure.
Fulfill the prophecy.
Oh, okay.
Let's get this slow-mo. Dude, this is sick. I'm so hyped on this. How sick was that? Let me see that. Let me see that. That's amazing.
Dude.
Should we fully submerge the engine in the pool at the end?
Yeah. Ah! They're like, don't put the skateboard in there.
Like,
Right in my
we'll do it.
shoe.
I'm sorry, Aussie. I'm sorry. But look, now it's fully.
Why is that working?
It's fully in the rudders though.
If I go through it, I'm not gonna like slide over.
I don't know what's gonna happen, Carlos.
I have
Can you,
no
like, wear a
socks
helmet?
on. These shoes, no. I think. Let me
the
go
first
through it.
time Carlos has been waterboarded.
Hey, look, Daniel, what do you think is gonna happen? He's gonna roll straight through,
Get through halfway and slip out to the side.
or he's gonna get halfway through and then slip out to the side.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why.
Oh no.
Already, huh?
Damage report.
Look at it.
Hey, well now that it's popped, you can actually go through it.
Hey, no, look, this will still work.
You gotta get it a little more wet.
Had to do it. I got wet already. Okay.
I think he's safe now.
Oh, that's the worst. Oh man.
Hey, you might as well just coffin through it now, Carlos.
What I said I was gonna do. That sucked. I'm so. You didn't swallow that?
I did.
Dude, that's gonna be so funny.
Of course I did.
Last but not least, coffee.
Just look at this. Just look at this, Carlos. Oh.
I got sprayed, dude. Oh no. Oh no. I think my hair is dry. That's the only thing dry. I'm done. Here. You guys have fun. I'm done.
This is 100% the coolest electric board of all time. Like, this has to take the cake.
I'm freezing my butt off right now. Dude, I didn't think it was gonna get soaked that fast though. Literally, I did it 3 tries. Look at me now.
This is clearly gonna survive this video. We're riding this thing at the bottom of a freaking pool. If you guys wanna see us go to an actual swimming pool that's like 10 feet deep and ride this at the bottom of the pool, leave it in a comment below and we'll make it happen. The final test is to actually just ride it. It's really nice. Look at the grip tape.
Well, the wheels are already dry.
The wheels are already dry. The grip tape is drying very fast. It's about 22 degrees Celsius.
Which is nice. Whoa. Getting a bit too fancy there.
Scott.
I can't run! Oh, and the brakes still work.
Dude, there's not a single difference in rideability from before we rode it to when it was soaking wet. Daniel, I don't even know what to say, my friend. This is incredible. Well, after numerous tests and getting it wet for a long time, I mean, it was submerged in water for like 15 minutes by the time we filmed this video, and it's literally perfectly fine.
If my complaint was, we should have did this later on when summer started, because it's still kind of cold out here, and when you get wet and wind goes in your face, you tend to get really cold.
This was one of the only ones I actually rode.
Yeah, Fetty never rides electric boards, so if you get him on one of those, consider it an extreme success. So a huge thanks to Ikon Boards for sending us this board and sponsoring this video. If you want to get one yourself, go to ikonboards.com. The link will be in the description below. Click right there to check out a bunch of other videos that you will enjoy. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we will see you guys in the next video. Like I said, if you want to see us take this to a swimming pool and ride it underwater, let us know and we'll make it happen.